Ofie Kwanso. Ofie Kwanso. With me and Jem Justice on Atum 106.3 FM. Osan Yesu Makuma nyina ya odia Good afternoon. Abrabom to say said the Etiopiano Yenda Nyamiase as I say Yan Crano You won't cry or the edge the Abba do Friday say I then answer say Dana say you know been a share week now say from Monday and they on kind with you as I brought the Ogusu Tiase now we'll call you Maso. There's such a way be out yet. I can your bay now would be Bibia come on. I then I want up a panasi. Yes, so yes, it's Friday, the 11th of October, 2019. Welcome to your own show, Ofie Kwanso. Yes, Freestyle Friday, we call it. My name is Jerry Justice. Know yourself now. The two German producers, no Papa Bills, African. Yay! The girl, if you don't feel it, you know. Now, no other. Oh, say, I'm feeling cold. Or computer logic, I can't answer a jump on to bra, come and take my jacket. Who didn't me review? Mary. And a couple of Rose. Rose. Ni and Mary. Okay. HR for Muti, me away, Momon Chawaka cry. A crabby animal sans and for both you cross now, Minomo, from Isaac, a crabby pair of one from. I don't know where. Nini Mary so can and then I shall bomb with free Sabri, I copy 7 boy in Renos. It also Ofie, what to come, what's your office, what's your factory, baby, or market toy, and now Namukan we are here. PC show us me now, Sudagumi, not just a bano. What I say, once a kuna bonnet dead, once a kuna bonnet dead, once a kuna bonnet dead, working time now, bonnet dead. Me to check a sema. Emma. Amekuzi. And a fake Christiana. Anaglo. More Guaranteed Trust Bank. GT Bank. Spinters Road. Yes, Spinters Branch. On Amubutu. Shouts going out to all of you. Any Juma 4 way GT Bank. Spinters Branch for Nina. Chicha Muina. Kwa om Jimmy Super. said that Fridays I no. Fridays bia no show no formula bia na ho. Your friend Freestyle Friday no. Said the spirit no be chese enko bia sa na ekono. You know what I'm saying? Diana be bia ye tew na yeko. Dia kona na edwagumu na edwagumu na enche bia me no be di nkomo bia mu hwam. Imagine say utie radio isisi a na yebe bon komo sisi a na ubehu ana fe enche bia na wanya akwanya say wo ne odofo yede mu kopi Dubai free mokotwa time wa asa ba Ghana masa look sharp san komo no mo hwan yebedi sisi a na business no so yede ni ne rewre mu a yan fast that kese manyame say what boy your papa Bishop Dr. Paul ya ozu asan oban ama afe akwasa beto no and right you could di birthday no come up my father's house down summer. It was beautiful. Adofo amoba na nyamisha mu nyina asofo akukuda ma wodo amba bi na nyamisha mu eni anyomtofo ahodo amoso di mani onya beta akire ebe hu nyon nyamisha mu nyina sisi chum Uncle Ato Joyce Blessing Celestine Donko he's a mighty sofo kwa manukre why be mkura na aka ni nu yankam ka so ho ba ina mabubu yi de ne de be ka be adwi today anum to phone na mo ba ni nyina ya da mu nyina se wa na mi hia mu nyina which is na enra mi hia dofo bebre ewo dwumadi na say but there's this woman, I've forgotten her name. Oka sembi kire me eho na chese me yeku me tena ka mu me ba on my way nyina. I was thinking about her. Ose Jerry, Mofa menka Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group no. He's a mighty. Or the number of paper so mami. Jesus is a mighty. It's me de talk keke. So on my way when I was trying to, put together all the things that she told me, and I'm a fast piece of paper no, and I'm here say me share the number now watch. Not knowing say what true notes at their mommy. And when I read it, I was like, oh wow. And I have it here. Me person me kind show. It is sometimes I na bibia nko ye my sao but and never be no say no when you think about such things encourage you ma what you're doing also please add me to the Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group. I am #1 fan of irrigated sports. I was born on the 6th of February. And I just say, Onemi na share the same date of birth. And not the number and account. I say, God bless you. And Nana say, and Kwame Oboa dear. You may think it's just a radio show you guys are doing. But you helped me through my pain when I lost my husband. Now, baby, you cry and say, Ose Nemba be realizing who say she was sad like all the time now. But the only moment on who smile on her face is when she's listening to irrigated sports. So because of this, my kids will set the radio to 106.3 every afternoon from Monday through to Friday to make sure that I laugh. So keep up the good work you are doing, and may the good Lord bless you. See you all at the walk at the end of November. I just say I irrigated walk no kra mami so baby at the end of the month, November. So sometimes what in your say now when you feel lazy and you don't even want to feel like coming to work, you say no, Charlie. Because at least 1 year your crown, you put a smile on somebody's face. Yeah. It's mommy. Many papa bills are casa on the admin or Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group. Me to do back on me do number man why. Hey papa bills what do I count another? Oh, any other. Eti Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group members no more come my why. More man are crab on the platform. That's right. Okay, to me, baby, phone lines now to but me chebe because my catcher saying come be I mean no baby the emotion pa. And just for a short while not fe. Yem fa the account into us 0302216561. I fe 0302216562. Ofe di kan radia ye. Na yen koye anim. Ansana me fa friend connection say Freddy's Corner. Eddie home appliances abeka near ma waton dada no. Enti upe water dispenser and I say be a washing machine, Bluetooth speakers, CCTV cameras, microwaves, stabilizers, home theater systems, gas cookers, printers, laptops, mobile phones, radio order air conditioners, fridges, fancy TVs. Ni are available from brands like Nasco, Samsung Media, TCL, and Skyworth. Tossa appliances instantly we need a brand new mobile phone, iron, blender, kettle, and as a bag of rice. Yeah. Sa promo we air cost our head office. Branch no air work kumlimle a bang. City Light. The patrol with me on phrase 0544 959 195. Our phase 020 793 7323. Young Kwan man so near find a first caller for today. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Brother.
The patrol you're from saying?
My name is Naomi.
Sister Naomi, I'm going to patrol in the radio.
Every minute, baby, now I'm a dead man. Or the affair back I can meet film. If I am not a man about you, no more with them, there's any Kabiaman Yanko. Amen.
Amen.
What minimum boost your phone in our home by?
Great. Now,
come here, on your cashier.
Amen. You, that's it. Sister Naomi.
Brother.
Nah, I ain't for now, Fifi.
Cooking to me, I think
cooking to me, yay. Make us a brand can I bet you pizza, just a baby. Oh,
Brother.
Oh, cooking to me, dear, quite what? Pizza, yeah, and tea, I'll be fucking.
Another time.
Why are they? You, will be a because by force. Oh, I don't credit for you. Hello.
Hello, Roger.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, from today.
Namia don't boko. What's your name? Nice. What's your patro yetiwe?
Yo, me patro. Edin kano. Messi yankupo ni shira di amau. Na mede yankupo asese waka me hu eni mebusia. Eni mikro amiti maguna nkum hu na yeti ase masambre yente atenkaboni be yedi amia sleepy. Yesese dey no hu yemobo na ondomien me yare no me amhodin yankwan. That's the Roger Yamisha.
Okay, we shall also share that. See, fire next call and I indeed you also the name. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello.
Maybe I try first saying.
But Sister Amadodo.
Sister Amadodo. Yay.
I don't do. Don't come at me.
Don't come at me, Bibia Boko there.
Atumala.
Yeah, then Yamias.
There, Yashabusini Nasa, 11. Or the Ambo Query, Yakuma Sadina, Yamin man.
Amen.
Yamin can who don't do.
You, and I just say, then you don't do. Don't do. Hello.
Hello,
good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Pacho, your friend say? Hey, Sister Joa to say. Bibia, you're fine.
You miss so, Medania Miasi. So, of course, I'm mobile, my busia, and the Ghana mine, and then you tap for a chimphony now.
Okay.
Then Yamiasi.
Nice one.
I don't do.
You. Bye. Your fan next caller Ben day. Ubi I know they bet to us. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Kwaku Emmanuel.
Yes,
Mr. Nobody. Me patro yentiwe.
Yo, me da se ni eduma pa mudi amagana mani wi aftermine. Brother Riwanya de. If say anka obi am baby crack kroboduma se ha obi no oba anka me buy na me share me coat di buy crack na ye den. By nyahwe Yakopon enchira na bibia anya yie. Na ye first born onya bema.
Yo,
me da se. If say Yakopon wa ye bia ma me. Brother enye easy.
Okay.
Wa ya ma me no me kan. Obi enu obetuma jede bi say enye se wo skankwa na se wa ye bia ma wo.
Sure.
Timi ehome ami na me ko bai nyina no me hu se Yakopon wa ye bi. Da bia me grande mpaboa pania wo wo me. Enso bibia eni wa aye me ametimi sole a ye me dwuma de na Yakopon me da na afre.
Amen. Amen. Yes, we da se pa. Di ma pom cho e da. Some of anchem se man crowd. Na man kan hwe. So still here. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Blind Jelly.
Patrick Frost.
Good afternoon. My brother, Mr. Kamuro.
You, Patrick, you're Frost, eh?
If I just from Kojo PSC, because I'm a Samai.
PSC ain't you, eh?
You, the radiation, no idea. Into me in Canada.
Yeah.
Intimida, and then I speak. I share me some if you have Fiata, we see the camera. I ain't Canada. Amen.
Young for last caller. Hello. Good afternoon.
Badger.
Yes, my dear.
Badger, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Ofie Kwanso.
It does.
Badger, we don't have to pass it. So the child was some kura kwentu, and then invest on my family now. But the child was some kwentu. 25th July, we have a pressing. You may have found my home farm a bar. I'm a bank and I'm inquired as we get and I'm a day uncle pass and I'm a good saying now. And I do my from phone now, so a bravo.
You.
Uncle Pong come on, share money now.
Amen. Yes, we that's a par. Yet me for free beer, be me fancy. Baby Dean Komoka Crowd Studio had their twasso. But before we do that, my reminder will say, nay, Vodafone. Almost I come who be Omako fat double into swore at their back. It's you are good to see cardboarding at the Casa or network and so 8 year for data and board deno. And they found so a year 100 groups so away WhatsApp so and now cry no what you now you know and so new customers a casa several times in a day cry must stretch it. This is a Vodafone amount the deal of the year. Yeah, double red 1, red 2 and a free red 5 offers in the amount. We a double into so papa. So with 1 Ghana city and Oba Binya unlimited Vodafone to Vodafone calls, 10 minutes to other networks and a fee 40 MB data. And a fee 2 Ghana cities no so Binya 400 Vodafone to Vodafone minutes, 30 minutes to other networks plus 100 MB data. And a fee 5 Ghana cities no Obinya an amazing 125 Vodafone to Vodafone minutes and then 125 minutes to other networks, 10 SMS and then 250 MB data. ATU phones is here and about star 200 hash. Next subscribers is here to Vodafone double into so you can talk and browse till. Vodafone always gives you more. Switch to Vodafone today. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? And that me call baby. Best 12:45 more babies are. Now gentlemen be or show me now say no say massa I like your shoe. And I'm say yeah thank you. Or say anything and then now cause we producers ni now making sure some better nice shoes no. And I'm say Yeah, what show no sooner prepare for. And you say you will see Casa. I am on share and dress and so, and I'm the Ajaji Akaso. I go cry either that debut the movie. I'm why. Just that, yeah, prepare for life near pet. And that your young baby, a hoy and swat, your bohopa. And Timpaboy, show me how come for say. If you butter shoe shop, oh, Crawford was shoes. Dear called their bapa to say, Shawana. Obi who has a not the beato from the shoe na washer. Was a gentia or the empire channel. It was many down where young fancy, yeah, come will be at to be. 1 year, you know. Also, Connor Kwashabi. Who do baby now or Nasa gentia near there. What I say? Butter Ghana. Just a winner and only Ghana's biggest shoe shop. Nene or more 40% discount to more on every item be our better. On pay now per day. Or by saving some extra cash when you shop at Ghana's biggest shoe shop. Yes, shall say from the 1st of October. Nyame adum on the 31st of October and a absolutely nothing is left out. If you men madikosi man kola enter the name pabwa. Casual shoes, sandals, slip-ons, nina 40% discount at that show. Inti we all our branches they work ramon e hona ya me kwajime de no. Ba oben achimota ho na de kwa achimota mo. Monso amo easily go potem no akoye nsi e mo ho. Afika so afo ne wagefo ne ade ade no Westels mo ho ne ade ade. What you say? Na Junction Mall so nunguafo ne temafo ne ade nna so mutimi difa ho obi ankono nkogye ne de look good, feel confident and walk in style in the most affordable and comfortable footwear in Ghana. Remember if it's an offer we are valid from the 1st to the 31st of October 2019. It's a 40% off every item. I'll bet to be a patro wait me after butter. It was 0244 916 930 Ofie 026 847 7447 and our 027 435 8512. Butter. We are all about shoes. Afei ya man come out studio. Medical catch us and come on am no bedi no emu ohwam. Emu ohwam. Eti wasum na etie netie ni yi pa. Abuja from patron no mama akwaba. Say bibia boko there. Wọ́n sẹ́ mo sere saa ní ade hey kyerẹ́ me na mo sere me saa no. Anyways me hu sẹ́ me feel last year wo baby o sẹ́ den yo me hu ya na mo kɔ Dubai jam na mso nkɔfo enti nkɔmo no me kɔ ya na nka ede ade na mo yɛ saa mo ne me kɔ Dubai bi ala nka ede na mo kɔtwa time kaka so ya na mje me hu sɛ de amanfo ni agya na mso yes na madam be frame ono so o wini o si show we say so na your friend no say we wini na odamase pa say that day your friend Ofie Kwanso na ono so atimi akɔ Dubai aba say the no kasa pa no cheche me and na am say I know anyway Camel Buy and Fly promotion enti na yehia mu e wo hanom ene awie me patro mo introduce mo na fe ye hye nkomo na say ladies first enti hye ase
Actually, doing the Marianne Boateng, the category manager for personal care or PZ Cousins.
Okay.
Nana Kwabno also, digital manager, PZ Cousins Ghana.
Nice one.
And your friend Nicholas Apekon, head of business development.
Nico voice the overall Cousins. Anyway, there was some more crab beam. Now, young chef, yate. I said the Medican last year, dear course one. Name said Jabibia Conawi, we are more for kucha time about it. And Kayari. I feel I said who said billboards is Crumia, the Adiana did course on the idea. And Patrol can be bigger catching. Efa a Camel Buy and Fly promoya and nay, yes, and who near sent it to Crumi and once.
So Camel a promo no send your kind we started no last year. Now last year send your coin no a kesier pa. And I yenim kofo call your mom winnie every week will be winning trip to Dubai. Your mom winnie any nanny and your mo call kofo who ye edi adanse say no kre promo papa this year no yenya nkofo bebre omo frey omo my feedback say omo pese yes a promo ni bio inti ya ndwen ho ansa ya ndwen ho bio na ye very easy say ye beka say yes a promo ni bio.
Oh, okay.
Na promo na no an ni say Water Camel antiseptic and I say Kerix hand washer. Was scratch panel be also. Wo scratch it. Ube who number baby guso. Sa number no ube text yako 1393. Now text ya nje wo hwe free.
Okay.
Eno ano no. Eno no we wait me we need instantly. We wait me we need credits from 2 CDs up to 50 CDs instantly. Wait me we need a hamper straight away. But nia adie kese na wo say for 12 weeks no. Say you started adie way 4 weeks ago, but for 12 weeks I just I can 8 weeks.
Yeah.
Every week biano you be picking nipa baako, you be friend nipa baako.
Yeah.
Obe we need trip for 2 to Dubai. Every week. Na trip for 2 to Dubai ya king. And yet trip no kwa say woko plane tickets. Your mouth spending money. Your mouth bibia breakfast.
Oh, sir. Oh, you say Dubai on there. By honest kasem the hard dream. It is a wow corner. And if you are who say betty baby guys who high, but who check who's your balance na card. You will be also in your mammy sign. No, the way you can get free there, and you make a BB. Wow. You know, be any ne partner. Who we near young kwana oko, who knew Odofu be. Yeah, Bedi Wechi. Naya ma obi bia free behwe wo so eduane a obedi baby a obekọ ka beba befa wako shopping ye be ma osika so ma wo de asan aye shopping so aka ho nti we ye opportunity of a lifetime. Serious opportunity kase pa wa ye be baso ne ahwe kwan na manfo be fa so na obetimi de ho ahwe mi asan ahwe ne akani. But before we do that, yen touch on Camel antiseptic ne your friends carrots ne yen hwe chichum kakra ma manfo hu say product no enye fedi agro it's of the highest quality because me used to be. And enye say bi ame na metra ka me pese mo amo kana mo chichum cha manfo no ti ase yi pa.
Ampa Jerry, so Camel awo enye afi na Camel Buy Camel ne awo saa.
Yeah.
Na de ye pese company say de promo no ye no foforo. Sent no ya ye new formula. Ama say de ye ton no. Inti Camel na nim no still utumi di jare utumi di si nyoma. But since na ye nice in it say o kitchen no to me the paper table na wo ho ne so eye enyoma bi ka ho eno nti na ye no foforo no ba Camel na nim no ye nsesan still 99% gem kill but ya ma sent na Kerix hand wash ne so eno ni number 1 say u be didi to me the whole nsa ansa nti Camel ne Kerix dey ade awo ye nchen ache yie nti ye pese omo mu use deda no ye reward omo ye pese ye ka se ye do mase se still a omo gi edi omo ko a ada brands o ba ye no hu say yes ebo omo nti omo to eno nti na ye Camel and buy and fly promo na mom.
Okay.
Ya wo market ni mususu ache nti e ma me mu na eno ana omo de abo ye hu bai because eno na e protect yesu a ye use unnim sauce. But what the kakra bi gu nsuo mu a e bo hu bai
asem na wakan say unze we no anka me be ka kra de be su say e mema no so look sharp no omo so make sure because unze mema de abuga ti say me say me ya na me na me sin ti na no de ya nyame ya maduma mo wari why fi ya also there fa Camel no na we so dey na me na say so what's share do you know what's in the water no no say mo so dey mo chira mo dey it said the wakan dey be su you atimi say sa pepa unya kakra gu nsuo no mu a na bibia e cool kra na dey nti mema nna mo hwe na mo use na fine
enye ye nso nkwa na ye ka say eye ma wo ebo wo ban ye endorsed by Ghana Medical Association. The Ghana Medical Association omo doctors association omo na mo form omo endorse officially say yen na yebo nkofo hu ban Ghana.
Wow. Right, quickly yen share how amount for bet me a past pay to us promotion mu na nyame eyo mo adom a instant prices no mo set me aka bi na fi the ultimate no to fly to Dubai no so na omotimi anya che phone no ye chechi mu che etifo ye
enti ya dey we promotion by last year no na go for nshada njindi because no mo dwen say na then na every week pa wutumi ma obi baako ewini eko for 12 weeks but omuhu ye ne hu say okay ampa no e na omo so omo wini ye no omuhu say na omo ndwen hu say ombetumi ewini but omo wini live on air inti nia also omo ya ne say this year ya be the same thing I last year.
Yeah.
Nia also ya ni so ko market wetumi enya bi wo Okanshi wetumi enya bi wo corner shop wo area yeah wetumi enya wo supermarket unya Camel antiseptic bia anase unya Carex hand washer wo scratch here number na egusu no text call 1393 wo text ya yenji usike bia eno no that is all I will hear say wo be enter promo no we asa ni wia instantly bet me win airtime and also bet me win hampers na every week e be select you obi omo a omo take part ni na no every week e be select you obi live on air nti eyi bie ni kululu bie ni live on air every week
da fine
e be select you obi ma
wow na obebi sase anyebia no ne bo ne tesen se otobia obi a ade a okoto betimi awini trip to Dubai nyesa wo nko a no ere ana no kuru ka bom ko de e bia na tese you need to pay a lot and sana watimi atobi na wako scratch ne ade anyebia price ne credit da se ni
price ne de ne bo de fofofo inti depending on ya ope ketwa obenya ketwa 5 cedis 80 pesos opeke so a obenya kesie 29 cedis
okay
ntini na no ubotom ye hwe nia ubotom betimi
okay Nico why ready anana
my ready
ntino ye said the ade no no kululu sembia anim tino ene obiti be yi ya ono so betimi anya kwanya akwa wuram ewo Dubai nyesa wo nko a wo kafo na wo partner bia na tese makopiem ti Nico I ready there ampacho we no omo ehwe yen wo Facebook live mo behu bibia dito wo say kululu sembia anim eti computer na laptop na esi Nico anim no oba be ran ade no na ehu se de be na yehu odipa ko ebetru su no na tese ono na week we mu no oye winner Tiniko over to you yanko anim
okay
Tiama for hwe boyfriend idia because like dey now you also only the sister na beko on pass bia only sister beko Dubai na work akọje ogbedi ade eno ano no yo that's so cool enti abusuafo be na mas ba before ye be me nim se bibi kakra ka ho am pese mo be ka ho na fe yen sorry so
okay interpret Jane a winning ye pese ka say each week say ye say ya reset it started for into say Jane a winning ya started afresh for week 6.
Wow.
It means that so scratching for week 6 opportunities also be winning because only week 1 to 5 for compete. It's very simple.
Oh, okay.
To Camel antiseptic and our Carex hand wash panel also but you make sure say obin scratch it da. If you say otwa yen scratch it da wa scratch number be bano. Now our text call 1393 all networks free.
Okay.
Ubenya message be a back. Once a YSR no utumi win airtime and a hampers.
Okay.
And now say a befro live on radio. To say the Ayama Jane in day. Your ball number not just say who and I will go Dubai only will be account.
Wow. That's nice. You better must pass mobile now, mobile chim neja. Mobile me answer etimi enya winner. Yeah. On the two teams and some can hear short. Or say that is all. And I was we looking for say another time. Maybe somebody be there time about share say you be another winner be from Ofie Kwanso. And I must pass. Yonya media Seda yonya media Into me can adia wanda mami do da 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 do da 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 hey da 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 Okay, so last Wednesday, me no Shebibia say another theme. You are not in this alone. And right, you should find Tosum, you know. Na me catch you say ne fie day na ne find etwa to no de toso me ensa no ye de be ba na che say ya sorry so cry. And nti yan say me no real quick ye be hwa asem a de tu on for ne day. But ansana no your proud sponsors are done then now boy yen my ye de offend kan ye radia ye bro no yen form aseda mo ansa ya for di why very important. Nti Guarantee Trust Bank and they work offer quick credit at their bank. Yeah, eboa ama salaried customers of GT Bank. Let me enya besia che say oh boy e ho how ne che say apentin kwa bia anyhow. Your friend of quick credit. Ubetimi borrow up to 100% of your monthly salary instantly at only 2% interest rate for 30 days. And also by you phones is here now about *737*0#. Now I selected payday credit. Now I agree to the terms and conditions. When P now I confirm it. Pronto with them. The requested amount will be credited to your GT Bank account instantly. Very simple. GT Banks is here 0302 611 560. And I now be to me afraid to a free line 0800 124 000 for further details. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Feco spray starch. What the twata dia boko. Umiagu material so the iron fast one at two fan come behind set time. A dose will two spray a chance and a sign. You cry nice fragrance into the twata dia we are named when you use perfume cry you are good to go. Feco spray starch or say looky sharp. Another quality product if it's Samara Company Limited. They are available at shops and stores and supermarkets. How doing them? Finally, Signal Cables. Yeah, if Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. Conduit cable now and flexible cable. PVC cable now and say armored cable. Data cable. Any cables out doing top if Signal Cables. They are correct in sizes and lasted longer. Now, a very affordable. So, ya share ya Ghana, ya conditions to Africa, and ya share so and ya cables. They are manufactured here in Ghana. Tema Community 7 between Tema Technical and GTP. And I'll be here. About your person here, Dinkitan, phrase 0303 309 499, a fee 050 9040 709. All electrical shops across the country, but beyond when you know, besides signal cables are on cyber count there. Ghana Standard Authority, Energy Commission, Omuna certifies and correct power. Signal cables, the nation's cable. Afe yɛnhwɛ asɛm a yɛde tuomfo ɛne da yi. Right, me no shall say last Wednesday and then they bury under the theme, you are not in this alone. It's Wednesday, they share and all Professor will say the difficulties and challenges that you seem to face in life right now aren't exclusive to you alone. And then Radi and I share and all Professor will say, don't forget that as you complain and breathe right now, another person is taking his or her last breath. So stop complaining and learn to live your life with what you have. Tiwepiemuno. Ose obre mu pentin kwa ye kwa ye ba obre ni apinisie ni ade ikukuhwiase aye die na enye wonko a na ofa sa tebea mu ana wo sa situation emu. Wonti obi de nti aya na ye wo say ye wonko a wabra guso de wo complain na wo kasa na nyame ni mi ani ni ye na me nko ade na me abusuo me fi na me nko ade na me fie de na wo guso wo complain no obi da baabi wagu no home ye twato wantimi anhome bi mu anka ho ene won ka tiasefo ho enti ade na wo nyae se wo complain bebre no na wo nsua se de be kwan ya betimi afa so abọ wo bra no with what you have kakra na wo na bia wo na be bia wo bia no de obetimi aye no wo so onye ne kakra and the twato no say always remember that life is all about making choices. Do your best to make the right one, and if not, learn from the wrong ones. Ose carnation say abrabon na ye boni nyina no choices kura ye be kan ze kura ni say de wo pe say wo obra no say de wo pe say esi ema wo de wo pe say emra wakwam de wo pe say wo ye no obra na wo pe say wo bo no eno na obebo. Enti yes say we make the right choice in this life. Nenso carnation will say you don't always get it right 100%. Enti a b ananka na mo a wutu no you thought said that was the right way to go about, but and me an kono sa sua bibi free sa wrong choice na we ye no mu men ka say one make you wrong choice intino and one no see that's the end of life. That be sua bibi for free enu sumu never count never bobra no ko wanim. Always remember that life is all about making choices. So do your best to make the right one. And if not, learn from the wrong ones. And then you did AC. Yame adoma next week. The best I should send for Eddie to 2 years. Quickly, for Paul and Silas and Twasona, you really say, ye dia boafono, and now say, and your master danso about Betwaso, Eddie amount. 106.3 FM na wasu guso a UTA.
Tabani music.
Opani kwami edu alande. Walandi di na pon Silas obrei. Ya wan boy. ɛho nsɛm ni nyinaa no ɔbɛda na di akyɛn ame ahu deɛ kɔ ɛne deɛ ba ɔpani kwa meadu ma wano nkɔɛ
yɛmamadwo mmakɔ aba ɛde ba Paul ɛne Salas dwumadie so median ne ɔpani kwa meadu a meti agya ba akufie ɛwɔ ablekuma ɛnura afutu a ograde ma Paul sɛ wonye bibi a Salas ani gye ho ɛma no na ɔmfa nyɛ wɔn yɔnkofa ne yie no Paul faye nanso fufu a Paul de brɛ Salas sɛ oni yi ɛnua bi ɛna Paul nso di ya wɔda hɔ a wuwi na ɛneɛ adwene po a ɛwɔ Salas tirim sɛ Paul ɛna ɛyɛ no no ɛyɛ no kora na Paul ne wuwi
ne nyɛ ɔnɔda hɔ yi ɔnɔda hɔ wɔ ne hu
Jason Penny sɛm no Jason Penny sɛ ɛdɛ na kyɛ so wo
meta no de ban by dem mi ndi bad na me se mereba ontwa me ba na odi we okitani yem sa no the person egum opada obo person no ku
enkasa sa Silas me enkasa sa na akata wa branya me wunua ne de aduru aguaduanim sa de brona nkono enkasa sa tina hu
na wa asɛm a wo
na ntina odi we okitani yefunu mi
eya me enkasa sa wo sa kasa tia me efisa me ena miwa ena na me frɛ Paul na me tu ne fo sɛ entokɔ ekokoso me ni nye ho enti on pe bibia ne nua ne nigye ho satare mpo na obekɔ akɔtɔ ana sɛ aduane ne nigye ho a na ɔde aba na ɔde abrɛ no na akɔkɔ yɛ sɛ
ɔde frɛ
dada una ye Paul mo bɔ mo de pass na bokumen
awurade nyankopɔn Silas wotumi bia wa no ka sɛ me de aduro aduane mu
Silas
wofa
asɛm aka kyɛ me yere no
dabi Paul ne de na me bisa
okay sɛ yɛtumi bɔ mmɔden aso asɛm ya no a Silas me ne ntina fi ha
wofa nya demo
na just o chese ogre e de eduro egu aduane ma
dabi
Silas ayonko fem retreat se bona Silas apobo mu
Mira ye fani ko hospital why ye fani ko na ni oye die dabi dey
mama fani ko hospital mama yogurt num
ma yogurt
over on the way food poisoning the mama yogurt num also yogurt dia onuma etumi yi poison bia
wo fa sa yogurt na so ma no atwa na ye fa mane
me miensa wo fridge ni ma ba sisi
mam ko fa mra
miensa wo fridge ni
yeah ni why ni wo zana ni why ni wo
family ba so onye
ba kuna ye
akamienu
family
atoka ka
akabako
eto say
na yo shoze mi buso mi ansa ebe to me
enti o eya na ye fan ko hospital
akamienu akabako
enti eye
sisi di ato kakra
me yo shoze me ho beto me
ani mama mentina he ya na mentina ho enhwe se
Debbie okay yenko na Silas nhwe no why ebia no mpeso mo di omo nko mo bi ni ade ti
ogo motion
why yenko okay
Silas ayonko fem retreat se bona Silas apobo
hey
omogo
hey ade asoi right hey into my dolly ni nyina eboa asoi li fufu na wakan
me ho atome
ho boto ampa hey nti ba ntina me yem hyehyɛ dem
me share fa wo Silas me share na
me de testo
me so ahe
iso mi ahwe dem ayo den
na me say me hwe on say aduane we mdi bi ache nti am pesa me didi maduane am Philippa me yan masia he say wo do me angasa
me filio you with smart am
me di wo
cancel kan
sadi
o kan ampa awo ya me tanfo pa wo da na bente
me
nanka o yin bonsama o ma brabo nkoyi ai ma ipa ne ma hyehyere wi abi de ma de so emi ahwe de so ma hwere me ode
da bi o na so sa cancel na wutie no ono dia no ka
otufo
na efutu no otu no e dia de say efutu pa
hey
e dia de say efutu pa
hey mamba
we mu nyina ye false prophets
Hey, mam, papa in asam de, and can you am your baby basa, Pocho? Man can asam, man come up and asam cry. Said yon upon na futuna may.
Eh, Uncle Fay. Yes, I ye. Nenso, I dear Debiano. Bonino Batam. Paul say, Salas in Kujano. Nunco Paul Gricho.
Sir, one whom so nas wapa chow dear, Diana me waka. Yes, we chow touch Maria, women nambia. We are me ba. And tis a woman who said, Dear, we are 1 year. Near me can say mate. I chow panozuma sum. Na futu kakra me de tumu mienu ne se hwe mayonko fa no efe mo sha ase nante ye enye ne mo nante efimra mo ye mofra de anyina drum mpanyi fie so de enyina ye hwehwe ne se mo bebo mpaye na mo de mani ato fam no mapa adwuma papa bia ye se ne be ya aka mo de mo betumi atua na ne ye nyina ya tena asomdwem na emre no so a matumi akwakofa ma papa abafie na mama na nanum enti me de me ni hweka de me kan de se montina sumdwem na mama nuado entina montam wai ni hwebia kanya me nhyamo
mate na mom me yan hwe de monto me nye pola tina dam krumo
me dwune se masiesie bibia afen so
oge jani esiesie bibia
masiesie bibia ne aye de nyame ase
enwumre no ade panso de asemde efri ayaresabia ho ebe afie
ogre nyame adom enkroma ho atono sisi a oyoke wasore
ebrade ede ebrade ase na we de nka se menke ka ne sen
manu me hu se
nka baba wa kama wa kunu kwa
obedu ne ho ogre we yana na make unim nipa otunefo Cancel bi no. Eno omo sorry a no mo nyina etie no na cancel na buku no na tia no na tia na kakaduro na omo ana omo tie no.
Emome no kre sa counselor ne die ono ana medi na echi mama yesa ade amaye yo. Menu me ho papa.
Amso menu mo ho basa. Nyona no say Paul no le yemmanti. Mko ye ya dan to kowe.
Wa sho.
Mpabo obotia me. Osi asuru bisa asuru yem fansa ni enu
me no why papa no why ma
me jai come for down for biom
but ma kada ne fam yanko bio me no wo na kan ese we are liver brothers me yanko bra bonyo
me
but ma kada ne fam yanko
I am choose abrofo no o ya me choose abrofo bio
de hwehwe nie se odo ne kro ye ne asomdwe betina fie ha se me chem se ne makoma to me ma me tumi kro nyansa mfa ncheche mu ye evi se huru ya aju fom ne mo ma si nyina ya hweye evi se eya na se bi o ya dwen se obi o ti radio so tufu bia na sebe o kanyansa sem
ka bia
bi o menya radio ni tv so atena pa nenso ensem o mo ka no utia ababa abanim say
okay
enti ya
betimi abodi
da bi mesrew po twa so
kamera body dey see ah
but I am the say we kakra for ye nyina ye ni so enti obi ahu say o se yete ho a yetumi nya ahweyie enye se obi aka bibia se bio onya kro na nya dwene kakra ana se wanya platform kakra enti na ye fa
okay na se bro for papa
enye ise radio so na metie ba we dia no ntufu e brofo keke no tira enti
great
okay
Mira
when ni pa boni ni pa he ni duku atie bi okay wo sami ni utefia nyina ye koba ye da sumia ba akoso ameja pade nyina wo ana mewu a ebesa won sei sai wo unyame a obepra me
over wo arbe mo ogre
mama nka mani bresa ni mani abre pa ogre enti sa
Mira de na sie ade na
sa wo emrantie fianga boys a omne na mantem hanom unyom a umfa omu ni agrokra ana mimi ni wa tese na yedi na mekasa obeye na nkroma bufo ni bia bam so yedi na mekasa
wafa
me say da na yedi na bam so
ade na bam so say
no ke bibia che wa wo yedi
empra hinie ana metwe ben wa o ka kyem say na usasa braba ana de enti o ma me enya yi
Mira wo kuma ni ma se woni pam say why wo de feni pa ko ni bra ana na wo yesa
ko mam ko betie Brother Betty. Betty, Yamina, poor me, Messia Councillor. Ediasam. What's that? Me. And then you Councillor where be yourself. Debbie, Udia Winnie Master Minimum. Of a minimum. Now, Bommy, Unimas. Councillor, one your papa of a
T4. Mijidipa, yes, say. Now what you Mono so hunu bebre. Every Paul. And a Salas. Jumedimu. And unti. Now what you for fry, Bissimono. Mesa de bebre abetwa so e wo Paul ne Salas dwumadi mu sani mi sika no no a ensesa na ensesa nso da media ne opani kwa me do amete agya ba ku fie e wo abrekuma makram
yo mo midi ma me Okay. Your first that my proud sponsors. Patrol Cow Bank. And they and they on my banking services no I am very easy crowd around. Say I won't yaso bed driver kwa do main banking hall. And now branch and so what me transact business. Say yet your borrow or neighborhood nim. What I say and a Cow Bank agent outlet. Now sa Cow Bank agent banking channels here. And they a bit me a one will be a Cow Bank snap account. What deposit and withdraw cash. What transfer funds, what your bills are doing at any of our agent outlets in your neighborhood. So visit your nearest agent location to enjoy the convenience of banking within your neighborhood. For further information, Fred, toll free 0800 500 500 or visit our website www.cowbank.net. And now, let me send you an email and your customer care at cowbank.net with them. MTN Samin Kancho said, nay. One also do Koduba Mwakwa Kwajuani and MTN Pulse and Chill. Imagine chilling on a beach with a martini, ATV riding on the desert, and now skydiving. Now Dubai Nagu Nasi. Now we have now heard the cost for more. That's my experience worth living for. Wait me away now for free with the MTN Pulse and Chill promo. So just keep talking and browsing with your Pulse mashup bundles to win an all-expense paid trip to Dubai from now till the 30th of November 2019. Patrols, you phone to see an about star 567 hash to mash up today and build point. Sounds a bit me winning Bulls headset, 4G devices, mobile money, KFC vouchers, shopping vouchers outdoor, and I feel extra incredible rewards every month. Open say, check your points now. Send a check to 567 or use the MTN Pulse app. Never check your points and says here. MTN Pulse, just be. Terms and conditions apply. We did for you everywhere you go. Colland Motors. On the day or boy. I'm waiting me and my papa at their service or car. Sabena bet me a kipuka and me a jan now, you know. Ejina quality spare parts at Besha Shakano. And they Papa Pani now I answer ye. Say open spark plugs. Is you cast what boss what turning prum negate piatro. Denso, NGK, Botch, Nina be obi ho. Afe brake parts papa. And they bra na yen use a technology papa and find determine the right oil and spark plugs our can be here. Near the sisu ama pepepe. A ban engine oil. Yen and nay. Ye the oil papa ba. Your booster oil from Holland. Available for all vehicles from 0W20 to 5W20. I feel 5W30 and a 5W40. Nina available. Yes, also automatic transmission fluid and no ATF. Car type be a hobby, including CVT. WS, I feel Dextron 6 HP, 8 HP, 9 HP. Nina available. Original oil filters, Papa Pans for Mercedes Benz, Toyota, Hyundai, Nissan, Honda, Ford, any decade Kahuna. The battery range, Abekan, Adum Junction, on the Abekan La Paz Road, close to Ghana Telecom University, Arnes. Bet me our friend was 0246 588 908. I face 0233 588 808 and 0302 67 0302 267 683. Now on a Colland Motors Eddie Ingita Roma insecticide spray Papa Wunya Bia and Tuntum Yina welcome the core no so sa Esa say no impuisate also ness you are says you where ni Ness no cum tuntumina and fire Arabia Major no abusuan so or bomb mobile or bay you may know a nice fragrance one that she come up ne boss on your day available shops and stores and supermarkets how don't you you deserve the best so go for Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil all the time. Roma insecticide spray and mosquito coil and Tonton Master. We are another quality product. Yeah, if it's Samara Company Limited. But what the amount and count they used to be. That be Bianco Yema. Congrats, Encore Emma Maxwell, Oni Benis, Yamea Duma Ochina, and Amoka Mohua so Kunu any area. Our the Church of Pentecost, Tema Community 1 English Assembly. Ochana mo wedding basso. Wishing you guys well. Yami Oshamo. Nabibia and your fine for kama. Ewo Yesu Dimo. Yamama Wari so in advance. Maxwell and Benis. Yeah, trust what when patron Friday. Now Friday the freestyle BB to me say Echo.
Jerry?
Yeah, BB aboko dey.
Adomnia hwe.
Some chance say no for say Brano we bi obetimi dia mo a. Ebe ma onwi na fufan ya. Because me person this trip dey fuwe. Once say makoyi miti. Once say mayi mi dey ni na to agu.
Yeah.
E mama gbadwi mefu a me bebre na still dey agu so say dey. Kono ko hunu no so.
No for ese me hunu.
Kono ko hunu.
Ese me hunu, me hunu na why na come mama. Ese why because you see no.
Na if obe na piem yi.
Jerry, I want say nyame aduma 25th of this month. But first of all before ever F election.
Yeah.
My answer met you for who say irrigated work
Ebebaso. Yes.
You see no nyese
on the 30th of November.
On the 30th of November. And no Ebaso.
Ewo ayi mensa. Who say ayi mensa hona to boot no ewo.
Yes.
So what you say.
Yes.
To do na wa. Ye nyina 5:30 kan ni ehia ewo ayi mensa. Na fe ye sa. Near their phone before na near their kopiem ewo eye the Lodge Tavern wo peduase. You do you be aerobics.
Acrobatics.
Cause aerobics. Acrobatics is ready. Near the action triumpum. So what you say? You really sana. You better dim common near the idea. You come over baby will go couldn't ho. Information will be on the idea. You be nema. Afraid now, and near my benon near the idea. Just say Bibia asset that.
Now think
now so okay.
That's the wild because
Obia calendar so. Be function calendar so 30th November.
30th November.
Ye Nasia 5:30 a.m.
Yes.
Are you mensa? na fe dia bobi po na wo ba hye o sports kit kama pa
o se de do so na ye be ko no so ntino hu hyada mbresa
dabi asa wo ko na ate bre no se we wo ko na hwe se fine boy you ko na so person o chase na fine wo de sa
wo kene sa no brass band crack count and wo kume kura
brass band na ka o brass band jam den za
o se brass band be problem ye di agrosa enti jari nyame aduma o mo share so mai ba di enti ende ya ba ne share on se presidential candidate ye venim se beto mo so aba e wo Ghana Football Association no and then penifo koye balloting a ye be hu normal obiada e ma delegate no enti se bia o ye delegate na obeto aba on se me ka Twitter ye to se na ye obibi ase ho na
ase ho na so
and wo mo de na ba na Ket ES Okraku ono na da number 1
odasro
ono da sro ho
okay
nti Ket 1 ena na say no am say omo ye yi oni pa free man
it is still at nti we no ban san wa ma ballot no so
we
P4P urade me say for
P4P ni so P4P ni so nti Ket da number 1 ena George Akosia Free da number 2 George Free da 2 Fred Papo da 3
okay
and Amanda Ekuoko Clinton
mame no
da a model no ono da 4
okay
nana ya amponsa da 5 and lawyer George Ankuma Mensa ono da 6
okay
senka pama kawana ka be 7 enti pama enka onhye no ayensia
okay
enti yem se eno ne enkomo bia no aba enei say yema Ofie Kwanso atiefo hu se sanete na me aduma nyumre yi peju ye beba na ye de ensem awdo a o makeka fa after say we ne beto dwa no ye de no so aba
great edase pa da nufo se me kan tro se we ne bo kran hye da
nufo
se
60
Ghana pe what I say ti we de say
sana ba ku
etu ye shia na he
sana ba ku so me de bo akire
so an he ya
enso the same ayi yes e free ye be food am sana ba to be ayi sister sana
be fine okay Mr. Wilfred Neza I sent me a message one nice one pa I say today happens to be our wedding anniversary at Dansuman Action Chapel. It rained very heavily in the afternoon during our wedding, and it rained today too around the same time. God is wonderful. We are sincerely grateful to God for the many blessings He has given us over these years. So help us thank God and celebrate His greatness. Mr. and Mrs. Neza. Your mama, congrats to Nyamen Kamo. And happy birthday so enkoma Zoe Ekuya Safwa Ochre Anson Peculiar Stars Academy where the 2 years and then wishing you God's abundant blessings. May you live long to become that great person you want to be. From your mom and then Evelyn Owusu Ochre Anson, wishing you a happy birthday. Right, 106.3 FM now. Asugusu out here in Freestyle Friday.
This is Adom FM and this is Jerry Justice.
You know what time it is? Come and get the ball, baby. It's one time.